So here I continued with the same example. Just by substituting n values in the DFT definition, I will get x of k is equal to 1 plus w8 raised to k, w raised to 2k, w raised to 3k, plus since the remaining 4 samples of sequence x of n are zeros, so I will get 0 into w4k is 0, 0 into w5 0, 0 into w6 is 0, and 0 into w7 is 0. So these terms I will discard, and finally I will write x of k is equal to 1 plus w8k, w8 2k, w8 3k, right? So to find the DFT samples, now let us start substituting k is equal to 0 till k is equal to 7. So here I will substitute first k is equal to 0, so that you will get the first sample in the DFT sequence x of k, that is x of 0. So by substituting k is equal to 0, so what I will get is x of 0 is equal to 1 plus w8 raised to k, which is w8 0, w8 2 into 0 is w8 0, and 3 into 0 is also w8 raised to 0. So I will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because w8 0 is 1, so I will get 4. So the first sample is what? X of 0 is equal to 4, right? Then for the second next sample, for k is equal to 1, I will write x of 1, and here k is equal to 1. So in this expression you have to substitute k is equal to 1. So 1 plus w8 1, because k is equal to 1. Next w8 2 into 1 is 2, plus w8 3 into 1 is 3, right? So here 1 plus w8 1 is 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 is nothing but 0.707 minus j 0.707, plus w8 raised to 2, w8 2 is minus j here, so this is minus j, plus, and then w8 3 is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So we will simplify this one. 1 plus 0.707 minus j 0.707, this is minus j, and then minus 0.707 minus j 0.707, right? So here this 0.707 and this minus 0.707 will get cancelled, and here there is minus j 0.707, and here there is minus j 0.707, right? So we will get 2 times 0.707, that is you will get 1.414, and here there is minus one more minus j is there, so you will get 1 minus j 2.141, right? Am I right now? Okay, x of 1. So x of 1 value is how much? 1 minus j 2. This is 2.414. So next, substitute x of 2 is equal to k is equal to 2. Now substitute k is equal to 2 is equal to 1 plus w8 2. So here k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. So it is w8 4 plus w8 6. So now 1 plus w8 raised to 2 is how much? w8 2 is minus j. So here I will write minus j. Next w8 4 is minus 1, so here I will write minus 1. W8 raised to 6, W8 raised to 6 is what? W8 raised to 6 is a complex conjugate of what? W8 raised to 2, W8 raised to 2, and W8 raised to 2 is how much? Here it is minus, so this becomes what? J, right? So here I can write plus J. So this plus J minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. X of 2 you will get 0. So x of 2 is equal to 0. And next we will further move on to the next sample values. So that is x of 3, right? So x of 3 is equal to 1 plus x of 3 is equal to 1 plus W8 raised to 3, because k is equal to 3, W8 raised to 6 plus W8 raised to 3 into 3 is 9. So again, by using the periodicity of this complex function Quidel factor, I will rewrite this one, W8 raised to 3, then W8 raised to 6 I will keep as it is, because it is, since it is lesser than 8. So the function whose power is greater than 8, so using periodicity will write down, will reduce its power, W8 raised to 6. Now it is 9 greater than 8. So what you have to do is just use subtract it by what? N, that is n is equal to 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So W8 raised to 1. So next 1 plus, what is W8 raised to 3? Here it is minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Next W8 raised to 6 is complex conjugate of this W8 raised to 2, which is minus J becomes plus J. So I will write here plus J. Then W8 raised to 1 is here we have written, that is 1 by root 2, so which is 0.707 minus J 0.707, right? So we will simplify this one, 1 minus 707 minus J 0.707 plus J plus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So this plus 707, this one will get cancelled, and this one will get cancelled. So x of 3 you will get 1 minus what you will get, so this is minus, so this one and this one will get cancelled, and not these terms. So both they have similar signs, these terms will not cancel, sorry, so these terms will not cancel. So after simplifying, what you will get is 1 minus J, 1 minus J, since it is plus J you will get 0.414, 1 minus J 0.414. So this is x of 3. And next we will calculate it for what? W8 raised to, sorry, x of 4. So x of 4 we have to substitute in the above expression, k is equal to 4, you will get x of 4. So x of 4 is equal to 1 plus W8 4, W8 raised to 8, 2 into 4 is 8, and W8 raised to 3 into 4 is 12, right? So this can be further simplified as 1 plus W8 raised to 4 plus W8, right? So this is 8, since we have only 0 to 7 for this complex value, so 8 minus 8 is 0. So W8 raised to, whenever the power is greater than or equal to 8, you have to subtract it by what? 8 plus W8, W minus 8 is 4, right? And we know the values, the Quidel factor 1 plus W8 raised to 4 is how much? W8 raised to 4 is minus 1. Next W8 raised to 0 is 1 plus W8 raised to 4 again is how much? Minus 1. So what you will get? x of 4 is equal to 0, because this and this one will get cancelled. So x of 4 is equal to 0. And next we'll calculate x of 5, that is 1 plus w8 raised to 5 plus w8 raised to 10 plus w8 raised to 3 means it is 50. So again use the periodicity, 1 plus w8 raised to 5 plus 10, so 10 minus 8 is 2, w8 raised to 2 plus w8, 15 minus 8 is 7, so w8 raised to 7, right? So 1 w8 raised to 5 is how much? W8 raised to 5, which is the complex conjugate of w raised to 3, and w raised to 3 is minus 1 by root 2. I have to change the sign of imaginary here. Because w8 raised to 3 is minus 1 by root 2 minus j1 by root 2, and if you take the conjugate of this one, this minus becomes what? Plus j. So 1, and here real part is minus 0.707, minus j becomes plus j 0.707, and then w8 raised to 2 is how much? So it is minus j, so minus j plus w8 raised to 2, so this w8 raised to 7 is conjugate of w8 raised to 1, and w8 raised to 1 is how much? 1 by 2, its conjugate minus becomes plus j, 1 divided by root 2, right? So that I will write here, that is plus 1 by root 2 is 0.707 plus j 0.707, right? This one and this one will get cancelled. So what I will get is 1, this is plus j and this is plus j, right? So and here it is 1.414 and there is minus j, so you will get minus plus j 0.414. You will get x of 5 is equal to 1.j.414. Is that clear? 1 plus j 0.414. Similarly, you substitute x of 6. So k is equal to 6. 1 plus w8 raised to 6 plus 1 plus w8 raised to 10 plus w8 raised to 80. 6 into 3 is 80. So 1 plus w8 raised to 6, I will write as it is. w8 raised to 12 is nothing but 12 minus 8 is 4, and w8 raised to 12 minus 8 is 10, 10 minus 8 is 2. So substitute 1 plus, again w6 is a complex conjugate of 4, 2, so w raised to 2, and w raised to 2 is minus j, I think, just minus j, and its complex conjugate becomes what? Plus j, plus w8 raised to 4 is how much? So it is minus 1, and again w8 raised to 2 is how much? It is minus j. So this minus j and plus j get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So x of c is equal to how much? X of 6 is equal to 0 again. X of 6 is equal to 0. And similarly we will calculate x of 7 for k is equal to 0. So that is 1 plus w8 raised to 7 plus w8 raised to 14 plus w8 raised to 21, right? So this can be written x of 7, 1 plus w8 raised to 7 plus w8 raised to, by subtracting by 8 you will get 6 plus w8 raised to 21 minus 8 is how much? 13 minus 8 is 5, so we get 5. substitute all values, you will get x of 7 is equal to 1 plus j 2.414, right? So these are the different frequency samples in the DFT sequence. So I will write down x of k is equal to, what is the first sample? The first sample is 4, then the second sample is 1 minus j 2.414, third sample is 0, fourth sample is 1 minus j 0.414, next sample is 0, next sample is 1.j.414, next is 0, and last sample is 1 plus j 2.414. So this is how we calculated all the samples in the DFT sequence, that is 8-point sequence, right? In the next video we'll discuss a few more examples on the DFT calculation. Thank you.